Hi, I'm Penelope Jane Smith, and in this video, I'm going to share with you how I use EFT. If you want to skip straight to the demo, go to this timestamp. And if you just want to do some EFT along with me without the explanation, you can skip ahead to this timestamp. EFT stands for Emotional Freedom Technique, and similar to acupuncture, EFT focuses on certain meridian points based on the flow of energy through your body, according to Chinese medicine. Instead of using needles, you're gently tapping on these meridian points with your fingers. So some people have stopped using the term EFT altogether and just call it tapping. This is a gentle and easy way to shift your emotional state so you can come into vibrational alignment with what you want and to release limiting beliefs and programs. In this video, we're focusing on releasing limiting beliefs around money, but you can use this for any area of your life. And just to be clear, I am not an EFT practitioner or expert. The process I'm going to share with you isn't the only way to do it or the right way to do it. It's just the way I do it. So I invite you to try it on, and if you like it too, that's great. I hope you'll let me know by tapping the like button on this video. Otherwise, you can do a search on YouTube or Google and find out other ways of doing it that might work better for you, or book a session with an EFT practitioner. So the first thing we want to do is decide what emotion we want to shift or what limiting belief we want to release and make a short statement out of that. For example, I might choose a statement like, I don't feel worthy, or I don't have enough money. I'm going to start with, I'm not worthy, because that's a block a lot of people have around attracting and keeping money and having their money grow for them. And I invite you to go through this process with me. The first thing we're going to do is make a fist and just gently rub it in circles right here. I don't even know what you call this part of your body, but like your upper chest on one side. And while you're doing that, repeat after me. Even though I'm not worthy, I deeply, completely, and absolutely accept, love, and forgive myself. Great. We'll do that 3 times total. Even though I'm not worthy, I deeply, completely, and absolutely accept, love, and forgive myself. Even though I'm not worthy, I deeply, completely, and absolutely accept, love, and forgive myself. Okay, and now we're going to do the tapping part. We're going to tap on each meridian point about 7 times, but you don't need to count. And we're going to repeat the limiting belief or negative emotion as we go. So let's start on the top of the head. I'm not worthy. And then to the beginning of the eyebrow, I'm not worthy. Outside of the eye, I'm not worthy. Below the eye, I'm not worthy. Under the nose, above the lip, I'm not worthy. On your chin, I'm not worthy. And then the beginning of your collarbone, I'm not worthy. Under your arm in the bra strap area, or where the bra strap area would be if you were wearing a bra, I'm not worthy. And then I do the side of each finger, starting with the thumb. I'm not worthy. 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 And then finally on the karate chop area, side of the hand, I'm not worthy. Okay? So that's the tapping sequence. I do that twice for each phrase. And then between the 2 sequences, I do what's called the 9-gamut procedure. This involves some eye movements, humming, and counting, because different parts of your brain are stimulated when you move your eyes. When you hum, you're engaging the right side of your brain, and when you count, you're engaging the left side of the brain. So the first thing you do is find what's called the gamut point. This is on the back of either hand, about 1/2 inch behind the midpoint between the knuckles at the base of your ring finger and pinky finger, like right here. And we're going to tap continuously on this point while we do the 9-gamut procedure. So normally I do it like this. So let's start tapping, and close your eyes. Open your eyes. Look down and to the right. Look down and to the left. Roll your eyes up and around to the right. Roll your eyes up and around to the left. And then hum a few seconds of a song. I usually hum the beginning of Happy Birthday. And Now count from 1 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And hum your song again. And that's the 9-gamut procedure. That's a lot to remember, but you don't have to remember it all right now. I'll go through a few more rounds of EFT in this video, and you can follow along until you have it down. Now let's do the second round of the tapping sequence. Top of the head, I'm not worthy. Beginning of the eyebrow, I'm not worthy. Outside of the eye, I'm not worthy. Below the eye, I'm not worthy. Under the nose, above the lip, I'm not worthy. On your chin, I'm not worthy. Collarbone, I'm not worthy. Under your arm, I'm not worthy. Side of each finger, starting with the thumb, I'm not worthy. 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 And then the karate chop area on the side of your hand, I'm not worthy. And then I like to take a deep breath. And just notice how you feel. Usually after even one round of EFT like this, which only takes a few minutes, I feel lighter and more relaxed. I definitely feel my energy shift. If I have time, I like to do 3 rounds. So I'll go through 3 more rounds now with different phrases to help you release limiting beliefs around money. I don't have enough money, I'm scared to lose money, and I'm not good enough. If you feel like, yep, I got this, you can stop the video here and let me know in the comments how this landed for you, because I'm not going to show you anything new in the rest of this video. But if you want to go through the process with me to get the hang of it, or as part of your own EFT practice, then we'll do that now. Let's start with the phrase, I don't have enough money. Even though I don't have enough money, I deeply, completely, and absolutely accept, love, and forgive myself. Even though I don't have enough money, I deeply, completely, and absolutely accept, love, and forgive myself. Even though I don't have enough money, I deeply, completely, and absolutely accept, love, and forgive myself. I don't have enough money. 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 Close your eyes. Open your eyes. Look down and to the right. Look down and to the left. Up and around to the right. Up and around to the left. And hum. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. I don't have enough money. 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 Whew. I don't have enough money. 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 Next, let's go through a round with the phrase, I'm scared of losing money. Even though I'm scared of losing money, I deeply, completely, and absolutely accept, love, and forgive myself. Even though I'm scared of losing money, I deeply, completely, and absolutely accept, love, and forgive myself. Even though I'm scared of losing money, I deeply, completely, and absolutely accept, love, and forgive myself. I'm scared of losing money. 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 Close your eyes. Open your eyes. Down and to the right. Down and to the left. Up and around to the right. Up and around to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm scared of losing money. 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 Finally, let's do a round with the phrase, I'm not good enough. Even though I'm not good enough, I deeply, completely, and absolutely accept, love, and forgive myself. Even though I'm not good enough, I deeply, completely, and absolutely accept, love, and forgive myself. Even though I'm not good enough, I deeply, completely, and absolutely accept, love, and forgive myself. I'm not good enough. 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 Close your eyes. Open your eyes. Down and to the right. Down and to the left. Up and around to the right. Up and around to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm not good enough. 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 Thank you for joining me in this EFT process today. I feel more freedom and lightness in my body and spirit, and I hope you do too.